Hello viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. A Delhi family court has reportedly directed the former wife of cricketer Shikhar Dhawan to refund nearly 5.7 crore rupee, holding that the orders passed by an Australian family court under the concept of property settlement cannot be enforced in India as they are inconsistent with Indian matrimonial law. According to reports, family court judge Devendra Kumar Garg observed that the idea of property settlement under Australia's Family Law Act 1975 is aligned to Indian statutes such as the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. The court is said to have ruled that the former wife could not claim 16.9 crore rupee as granted by the Australian court. The judge reportedly noted that under Australian law, a husband's assets are placed into a marital pool, allowing court to award up to 60% of total properties, including those located overseas, to the wife. In Dhawan's case, the Australian court has evoked Section 79 of the 1975 Act and directed the payment of Australian dollars 8,12,395.50 for the sale of a property. However, the Indian court recorded that the former wife did not appear before it during the proceedings. It was further observed that the Australian court has ordered Dhawan to pay the sale produced of two properties in Australia under what was described as an intimate property settlement, a directive the cricketer claimed he had not consented to. The court also held that Dhawan has successfully established the Australian dollars 82,000 forcibly retained. As per legal filings cited in reports, Dhawan has informed the court that he purchased certain properties using his own funds but was allegedly pressured by his former wife to register them in joint names. It was also claimed that she was made a 99% owner in one of the properties he had acquired. He further also alleged that soon after their marriage in 2012, she began threatening to circulate fabricated and defamatory material that could harm his reputation and cricketing career. Dhawan and his former wife, Asha Mukherjee, were married for 11 years and share a son, Zorawar. The divorce had earlier drawn significant public attention. In a separate personal development, the former Indian opener opportunity, popularly known as Gabbar, recently entered a new phase of life by marrying his longtime partner, Sophia Shine. The wedding ceremony was held in Delhi NCR region on February 21, 2026, in the presence of close friends, families, members, and select personalities from the cricketing fraternity. Dhawan has stepped away from international cricket in 2024. The court's ruling marks a significant development in cross-border matrimonial disputes, particularly in cases where foreign property settlement orders come into conflict with Indian matrimonial laws. That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to The Savera. Download the app. Follow us on various social media platforms.